Key lime dessert bars are the perfect dessert for spring. Bright, tart, and comforting all at the same time. The shortbread crust is a substantial, delicious vehicle for the mouthwatering baked custard, and the sprinkle of powdered sugar makes it elegant. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees. In a bowl, add 2 sticks of softened butter and your light brown sugar. Cream them together until well incorporated and fluffy. Don't be lazy like I was, grab your stand mixer. To a large bowl, add your all-purpose flour and your butter and brown sugar. A stand mixer is best, but if you're going to mix, wash your hands and get in there to bring the shortbread dough together properly. Place it in a greased glass 13 by 9 dish and begin to press it down into the pan. When it's mostly done, I use the back of a measuring cup to get it nice and even. Then poke a few holes with a fork and bake for 25 to 28 minutes until light brown. While that's baking, make your filling. To a large bowl, add your sugar and flour and make sure that you mix them together well. This will ensure that you don't have a lumpy filling when the other ingredients are added. Add your 6 beaten eggs and the cup of key lime juice. I used fresh squeezed, and I suggest squeezing it the day before. Stir until well incorporated and the mixture begins to look silky and smooth. Add the mixture to the shortbread when it comes out of the oven and bake for 35 to 42 minutes or until the middle doesn't jiggle. If baking is all that requires for a middle not to jiggle, then I'm hopping in the oven. No worries about any bubbles or even cracks on the top. We'll take care of that. Allow it to sit for an hour and then cover and place it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. With a sharp knife, carefully cut them into squares of your preference. Gently loosen around the edges of the pan to make sure that the squares lift out easy with your spatula. Place them on a plate and give them a goodly sprinkling of powdered sugar for the finishing touch. Key lime dessert bars are a taste of summer any time of year. The bright taste of the creamy filling and the flaky crumb of the classic shortbread crust are sure to please. It's like 2 amazing desserts in one convenient bar. You'll be the hit of the pool party when you show up with these. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.